From the inside of the boat, we have two panoramic rear port and starboard 30 gauge strata-glass windows. On the interior of the boat, you can clearly see the U-shaped window, which is rolled up to allow ventilation with the close mesh screening. Full panoramic view, starboard side, port side. Separate door entrance on the port side of the boat. Forward, we can see the cockpit cover, which doubles as a camper. The customer will be putting in an inflatable mattress to create a full bedding area forward on the boat. This is when you want to take your pontoon boat to a higher level and maximize the usage throughout the seasons. The top of the boat is made with C-Mark Sunbrella. That is a laminated vinyl on the inside with Sunbrella on the exterior to create a higher tensile strength, and also eases in cleaning or condensation when you want to wipe it off the top of the boat. You can see the door, the rear door, which is affixed up overhead when entering the boat, so it stays completely out of your way, with also a U-shape and a screen in the center of that as well. This boat additionally has 3 front windows which drop from the leading edge of the top straight down, so when they're not using the camper section, they can also enclose the boat from the door entrance straight across, creating a windshield and keeping everything out of the elements as well. Well, like I said, when you want to move your pontoon boat up to a yacht, give me a call. My name's Dennis. Phone number 914-649-4005. Thank you. Have a nice day.